Cookery 10, Quarter 2, Lesson Number 2, Topic Number 1, Market Forms of Vegetables, Topic Number 2, Methods of Canning, Topic Number 3, Steps involved in the canning process.
Let's recall. Read each statement carefully. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Which of the following green leafy vegetables is a good source of vitamin A? A. Bell pepper. B. Cabbage. C. Potatoes. D. Celery leaves. Answer, letter D, celery leaves. Number 2. Which of the following is an example of roots and tubers? A. Beet. B. Cabbage. C. Cauliflower. D. Spinach. Answer, letter A, beet. Number 3. This tool is used as a surface of vegetables while chopping them. A. Chef knife. D. Chopping board. C. Colander. D. Utility tray. Answer, letter B. Chopping board. Number 4. How to wash potatoes when you would cook them using the oven. Letter A. Wash potatoes with baking soda. Letter B. Wash potatoes with cold water. Answer, letter B. Wash potatoes with cold water. Number 5. How is the proper way of washing green leafy vegetables? A. Place vegetables inside a colander. B. Place vegetables inside the bowl. Answer, letter B. Place vegetables inside a colander.
Thank you, learners, for your active participation.
You did great. Good job. Now, let us proceed to our proper lesson. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to acquire the following. 1. Identify market forms of vegetables. Number 2. Select various kinds of vegetables according to a given menu. Number 3. Cook vegetables dishes following appropriate methods. Market is a busy place in which exchanging of goods and services are being done. In its literal meaning, a place where vegetables and other kitchen goods are bought and sold. It would be a great help when one is familiar with the market forms of vegetables, because it will serve as a guide of which vegetables to buy and prepare based on the recipe you have planned. The availability of vegetables in the market would depend on which product you would buy. You can buy fresh vegetables, frozen vegetables, canned vegetables, and dried vegetables. Topic number 1. Market forms of vegetables. Number 1. Fresh. Typically, fresh vegetables are just harvested in a farm. However, due to time, location, and energy, people would no longer go to the farm to get a fresh vegetables, but rather would prefer to go to the supermarket to save their effort and resources. Generally, fresh vegetables have never undergone any food processing, instead would remain in the same state when they were harvested in a farm. Number 2. Frozen. Basically, when purchasing frozen vegetables. These are commonly places in a commercial packages or containers such as cardboard boxes or plastic bags to ensure its quality before it will be sent for public consumption. The frozen vegetables undergone a thorough step-by-step procedures before its actual freezing process.
Here are the suggested steps before freezing vegetables. Letter A. Wash vegetables with running water to remove any physical dirt or chemicals like pesticides or fertilizers that have been used. Letter B. Blanch or cook vegetables quickly in boiling water before placing them in a container of cold water to break the cooking process. Letter C. Sort and inspect the vegetables by taking away those that are not suitable for consumption. Letter D. Pack and ship off the vegetables to supermarket and grocery distributors for public consumption. Number 3. Dried. This process does not necessarily you will need special equipment to finish the job well. Today, there are various equipment to be used to dry up vegetables such as dehydrator, or you can simply use oven. Natural methods such as sun drying and hair drying can also help reduce water from vegetables. It is recommended to choose fully matured vegetables without bruise or disease. Number 4. Canning. This is a method of preserving vegetables which is very suitable for vegetables that are with high water content such as tomatoes, beans, and mushrooms. Mostly, they are placed inside a sterilized jars in which it is then undergo a process in boiling water on a pressure canner. To ensure the quality of canned vegetables, select only those that are healthy and disease-free.
Topic number 2. Methods of canning. Number 1. Hot pack. This method requires to put vegetables in heat before they are packed. To ensure that the vegetables are with good quality, put them to near boiling water before putting them in a sterilized glass jars. High water content vegetables may be packed in their own juice, while low acid ones may be packed in water either fresh or used during the preheat. Number 2. Raw pack. This process allows raw vegetables to be put in a container covered with water, juice, or syrup. In the canning process, raw vegetables should be packed tighter than hot pack because raw vegetables may be shrink during the process. However, some vegetables such as peas, corn, and beans should be packed loosely because during the canning process, they expand. Topic number 3. Steps involved in the canning process. Take note that before the start of the canning process, make sure that all ingredients as well as tools and equipment are available and ready. Number 1. Select vegetables to be canned. Number 2. Choose the method of canning you will use. Number 3. Sterilize the jars you will use in filling in vegetables. Number 4. Blend vegetables. Number 5. Place the vegetables in a sterilized jars with 1/2 inch free space above. Number 6. Pour boiling water, syrup, or juice to sterilize jars using canning funnel. Number 7. Add 1 tsp salt per quart. Number 8. Make sure you have checked the headspace of about 1/2 inch. This is being done by measuring the distance between the liquid present in jars and the top of the jar. Number 9. Remove any air bubbles that might have appeared around inside the jar. Number 10. Clean the rim and lid of the jars. Number 11. Place the filled jars in a larger pot with boiling water. Number 12. Cover the pot and let the water boil for 10 to 20 minutes or to appropriate time depending on what vegetables you wish to work on. Number 13. Carefully remove each can from the water using a jar lifter and place them in a cooling rack, sealed at once. Number 14. Place the cans in a dry place. That's it. That shows us market forms of vegetables. Let's try this. Directions. True if the statement is correct and false if it is wrong. Number 1. Typically, fresh vegetables are just harvested in a farm. True or false?
Answer true. Number 2. Frozen vegetables undergone a thorough step-by-step procedures before its actual freezing process. True or false? Answer true. Number 3. This raw pack method in canning requires to put vegetables in heat before they are packed. True or false? Answer false. Number 4. When purchasing frozen vegetables, these are commonly placed in a commercial packages. True or false? Answer true. Number 5. A market is a busy place in which exchanging of goods and services are being done. True or false? Answer true. Thank you, learners, for your active participation.
You did great. Good job. I hope that you learned a lot in our lesson for today. Thank you for joining today's class.